Welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to share notes on Android phones. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Samsung Notes application, and right here let's say I want to create a new note, and I can give this note a title, a random title, and right here I can insert the text. I can do whatever I want, can change the font of the text, and I just say I'm just going to insert a random text which is test, just for the purpose of this tutorial. And of course I can do whatever I want in this note. After I'm going to do that, I will just save this note right here, save as file and Samsung Note file, and I have to choose a place where to save this, and I'm just going to choose a random one. Let's say I want to save it in this folder right here which says download, and done. Okay, so right now I saved this note right here, and if I'm going back, as you can see, I can see this note. So in order to share this, I'm going to press and hold that note that I want to share, and as you can see I have the share button right here, and share as note file, PDF, Microsoft, whatever format you want to share this. I'm going to share this as Samsung Note file, because I'm let's say I want to share this to someone who's using also Samsung mobile, as I'm doing. So as you can see, I can share this through Discord, WhatsApp, or whatever social media app I have installed on my phone. I'm just going to select the preferred option and share this note. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.